Okay, we're rolling.
This is a finger blocking machine from about 1936. I had it modified. It's still state-of-the-art equipment in the hat business. The job is to take a hat body that doesn't have but a very soft sloping shape and to determine and develop the height of the crown and develop the 90-degree angle. A hat body is placed inside. Each ring corresponds to a specific size of hat. Placed in the finger blocker, which are all made of bronze, we close up the unit thusly, and we clamp the fingers down on the hat body, like that. I'll give it a bit more steam. At this point, I guess you might call it cooking the hat body and getting it nice and hot to where I can determine how tall the crown is to be. Then, not only are each little pin holding the body down, and that the reason is so that when I press on this foot pedal right here, it brings the brim out this way, and this is what pushes the block down inside the finger blocker, so I can determine how tall the crown is. Sometimes it takes a little weight and a little bounce to get the crown exactly where I want it. It looks a little silly, but I kind of like the process. Now the hat factories have the same machine, but they use pneumatics. But I kind of like the idea of popping on it. Makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something. And then pull the block down inside the crown, and sometimes that takes a little weight. Sometimes I actually hang on this bar to make this work. The beautiful thing about it, it takes out a lot of hand steps, very labor-intensive steps that can cause physical maladies in life. And this takes an important step out and makes me able to do something mechanically where I would jeopardize my life and limb otherwise. Now once it's cooked, I bring it down. Once I feel like the level and the height of the crown is fine, I undo the fingers, open up the unit, and voila. At this point, I finish the body off in various ways, but it kind of determines the basic proportion of the hat. Very proud of this in its state of the art in the hat business.